15 minus 5 times 2 plus 1. 15 minus 5, this is going to give us 10. 10 times 2 plus 5. 10 times 2, this is going to give us what? 20 plus 5. This is equals to what? 25. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, multiplication and division have equal priority over subtraction and addition. So we have to do the multiplication. So we are solving with these rules from left to right. Okay, so if we follow these rules, which is 15 minus 5 times 2 plus 5. So first of all, we have to do this multiplication. All right, so if we do that multiplication first, we are going to have 15 minus 5 times 2 is going to give us 10 plus 5. All right, 15 minus 10, this is going to give us 5 plus 5. So 5 plus 5 is equals to what? 10. And that's the final answer. All right, the final answer to the question is 10.